Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Now I am going to discuss the exercise of the second chapter, the last portion. So look at your book. First question is here. Match the statements in list 1 with the correct answer in list 2. Purification of water by adding alum. Answer will be sedimentation. Sea water leaving behind common salt. Answer is evaporation. Separation of camphor and the potassium chloride. Sublimation. Separation of charcoal from a charcoal water mixture. Filtration. And separation of bran and wheat flour. It is sieving. Now true false. Component in a mixture are present in a definite proportion. Answer is false. Mixtures have no definite sets of properties. True. Components in a mixture can be separated by physical and chemical method. False. Because component of mixture can be separated by using only physical method. That's why it is false. Sodium chloride and water is an example of mixture of element and compound. Answer is false because sodium chloride is a compound whereas water is a compound. That's why it is false. Heterogeneous mixtures have different composition and properties throughout the mixture. Answer is true. If it is homogeneous mixture, it have uniform composition and properties. That's why it is false. Now name the following. A black non-metallic component of mixture in gunpowder, that is carbon. Carbon is a non-metallic substance which actually used in gunpowder. A physical method of separating iron from an iron sulfur mixture, that is magnetic separation. For what? Because iron is a magnetic substance and easily separate out by magnet. The component of soluble solid liquid mixture which is lost to the atmosphere on heating, that is evaporation. The component of naphthalene sodium chloride mixture which remain in the evaporating dish when heated together covered with the funnel. Answer is sodium chloride because naphthalene directly transfer into vapor. Naphthalene is a sublimable substance. A mixture of two immiscible liquids. It may be water and oil. Now this portion is too important. Give reason for the following. Naphthalene and camphor cannot be separated by sublimation. Naphthalene and camphor both are sublimable substance. By using heat, they directly transfer into vapor. That's why they cannot be separated by sublimation process. Sodium chloride cannot be separated out from its aqueous solution by filtration because sodium chloride, its aqueous solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. As in homogeneous mixture is basically the component uniformly. In case of sodium chloride, the component uniformly mixed with each other. That's why, and sodium chloride particles are too teeny. That's why it is not separate out by filtration process. So आंसर हम दोबारा बोल रहे हैं. Sodium chloride cannot be separated out from its aqueous solution by filtration. For what? Because sodium chloride पानी के साथ ऐसे घुल मिल जाता है. We can't see them in open eyes. And in case of homogeneous mixture, as because sodium chloride का aqueous solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. In case of homogeneous mixture, the component mixed uniformly. That's why it is not possible to separate sodium chloride by using filtration process. Two varieties of wheat flour cannot be separated by sieving because actually in case of sieving process, particles may be differ from डिफरेंट साइज, मतलब पार्टिकल्स या कंपोनेंट्स को डिफरेंट साइज का होना चाहिए. बट इन केस ऑफ टू varieties of wheat flour may be same size, that's why it is not possible to separate by sieving. Sulfur and charcoal powder cannot be separated by magnetic separation because both sulfur and charcoal powder are not magnetic components. That's why not possible to separate sulfur and charcoal by magnetic separation process. Next, both component of soluble solid liquid mixture cannot be recovered by evaporation process because in case of evaporation process, by getting heat, soluble liquid solid ऐसे डीज में पड़ा रहेगा और लिक्विड डायरेक्टली ट्रांसफर इनटू वेपर, मतलब वो इवापोरेट होकर एटमॉस्फेयर में लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. इसीलिए नॉर्मली हम कंपोनेंट ऑफ सॉलिड लिक्विड मिक्सचर कैन नॉट बी रिकवर्ड बाय इवापोरेशन. सो आंसर क्या होगा? बोथ कंपोनेंट ऑफ सॉल्युबल सॉलिड लिक्विड मिक्सचर कैन नॉट बी रिकवर्ड बाय इवापोरेशन. बाय अप्लाइंग इवापोरेशन प्रोसेस, liquid lost into atmosphere by slowly evaporation. That's why it is not possible to separate out the component from soluble solid liquid mixture by evaporation process. Next, यहाँ के नंबर 14 का क्वेश्चन आंसर देखो. स्टेट द टेक्निक इन्वॉल्व इन सेपरेटिंग ऑन द फॉलोइंग, मतलब सेपरेटिंग का प्रोसेस लिखना है, सेपरेशन प्रोसेस का नाम लिखना है. Iodine crystal and potassium chloride. Iodine is a sublimable substance, that's why process क्या होगा? Sublimation. Iron and chalk powder. Iron क्या है? Magnetic substance, that's why the process क्या होगा? Magnetic separation. Potassium chloride from aqueous solution of potassium chloride. Process क्या होगा? Obviously evaporation, क्योंकि हीट देने पे पोटेशियम क्लोराइड डिश पे पड़ा रहेगा और जो एक्वा सॉल्यूशन है वहां से लिक्विड जो है इवापोरेट होके एटमॉस्फेयर में लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. राइस पाउडर फ्रॉम सॉइल पार्टिकल्स, ऑब्वियसली सीविंग, बिकॉज राइस पाउडर एंड सॉइल पार्टिकल्स का साइज डिफरेंट है. इसी दौरान हम लोग सीविंग से राइस पाउडर को इजीली अलग कर सकते हैं. आयरन फिलिंग्स फ्रॉम पीसेस ऑफ कॉपर वेयर, ऑब्वियसली मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन, बिकॉज आयरन इजिली अट्रैक्टेड बाई मैग्नेट. लार्ज डायमंड फ्रॉम वेरी स्मॉल डायमंड, इसको इंपॉर्टेंट देख के स्टार मार्क करके रखना. द प्रोसेस इज एक्सरे. एक्सरे की द्वारा हम लोग लार्ज डायमंड को स्मॉल डायमंड पार्टिकल से अलग करते हैं. स्टूडेंट, एक अनाउंसमेंट था. एक्चुअली हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सिर्फ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सो तुम लोग कॉपी में सिर्फ जो पोर्शन हम डिस्कस किए वही पोर्शन लिखना. No need to write all the question answer. Please write down the short question answer, what I have discussed. पर्टिकुलर केमिस्ट्री कॉपी में सिर्फ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हम डिस्कस किए, जो पोर्शन हम डिस्कस किए, सिर्फ उसका ही आंसर लिख लेना. Hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.